Yes, I'm David Davis, Secretary of State for Wales. I'm absolutely delighted to be here with Councillor John Morgan, with Senedd Member Alan Davis, to look at the new HiVE Centre, which is going to be built here, a state-of-the-art centre, which is going to be able to train up to 600 people from the area in all sorts of the new skills that industry is going to need.
It's going to be such an exciting place for students to come and study in. I'm particularly excited about robotics, 3D metal printing, floor drones. There's going to be flying drones. Yeah, really exciting place to be.
The three top benefits that HiVE will offer students. Number one, they'll access a modern, up-to-date and current engineering curriculum. Two, they'll be trained on all the latest equipment, ready for their time in industry. And number three, they'll be able to link with local industries who'll be coming to HiVE to research and develop their current production methods.
So an absolutely fantastic new facility for Blaenau Gwent, and I'm very pleased to be here with councillors and Senedd members to celebrate that today.